Hello, welcome. This is a video on comparing linear, um, exponential, and quadratic functions. And so we're going to do this by the graphs and also by the tables. And I'm going to do two problems here. So bear with me as I run through a quick review of the graphs that if it's level on one side and then goes up on the other, these are exponential. If it's going down on both sides or up on both sides, those would be examples of quadratic functions. And if it's a straight line, those, if you write the word line and then put AR, that's linear. So these are linear. And they can be negative like this one, positive like this one, or it could be straight. It could be a horizontal line. All of those are examples of functions, and they're all linear if they're straight lines. So let's look at, let me just make a quick note here. Let's look at the graph here. Now, I notice that if I take 243 and subtract 729, I'm just looking real quick at this. 243 minus 729. 243 minus 729. And that's a difference of negative 486. And then if I do that again with what I see here, 81 minus 243, if I take 81 minus 243, in that case, I get a negative 162. And they're not the same. Negative 486 and negative 162. If it was linear, then those would be the same. Like if you look at this table value up here, this one up here, the difference here is plus 16, plus 16, plus 16. So those are linear. But here, I can see that it's not linear. And so it might be exponential. And if it's exponential, instead of subtracting, I'm going to divide. So I'm going to take this 243, I'm going to divide by 729 just to see kind of what do I get. So let me clear that. 243 divide by 729. And it gives me this decimal, but if I hit math, enter, enter, that simplifies that to 1/3. And so from here to here, if I multiply 729 by 1/3, I would get 243. Which is the same, by the way, as taking 729 and dividing by 3. Let's do it with 81. If I take 81 and divide by 243, gives me that same decimal, which we know is going to simplify to 1/3. So this would also be 243 times 1/3. And 27 divided by 81. 27 divided by 81. Same again. 9 divided by 27. 9 divided by 27. Yeah, same thing. So this is a constant multiplier. And in this case, the multiplier is 1/3. And so we would call that the growth factor. Remember that in math, factor means multiply. And so the growth factor here in this case is 1/3. And when you have a growth factor, you have an exponential function. And if you were to graph this, you could see how it would go. It's going to start up really high, and then it's going to kind of narrow out like that. And it would look something like that. It's going to go really high on one side, and then it's going to go down, and it's going to kind of level out. And that's what exponential functions do. All right, you got this. Study hard. Keep going. Good luck.